It has been life-changing for me. The tutors are so understanding. They have been really supportive throughout the journey.
I've made a lot of friends in Bangor University. It is very peaceful as compared to where I'm from.
So there's a group of American students, which is really nice to be able to have people that I'm similar to. There's also a wealth and a host of other international students, so I can experience other cultures and have friends from all over the world, which I think is so fun and different than I had back home.
I come from a place where you have to drive everywhere, and I think Bangor, there's a lot of things close together. It's easy to get everywhere. There are a lot of places to study as well. I really like how many cafes there are, how many study spaces there are. A lot of things are open to students as well. It's very, very student friendly. I feel like a lot of people that come here come from a lot of different backgrounds as well. So it's cool to meet different people and experience different things.